Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. ZN is looking like it's going to run, and I want to enter, I want to join. I'm looking to see where it will be the right entrance for me, and I think it's over the 55, so it's really short stop, 5 cents. Okay, so I decided to kinda jump the gun here and enter in 0.53, so it's 1 cent, but my stop is basically 50, so half a buck, not half a buck risk, but half a buck going out, so it's 4 cents. And if it's not going there, I don't want to enter. So if it's crashing the half number, I want to leave. Actually, I don't want to enter. I'm going to let it run a bit. So I'm not sure if it's going to jump or not. It's huge way up, but percentage wise, cent wise, not so much. And I think that if it's going to crash down below the 0.5, it's going short today. So I'm going to change basically the command saying if it's going out of the range of 0.53 to 0.5, I want to go with the direction it's going. If it's going up, I will go up. If it's going down, I want to go down, because it's going to be a big move, considering. I'll let it play a bit before I'm doing anything. Now, we are not even in 5 a.m. Okay, just to give you a reference, and this stock is almost 670,000 shares exchange hands. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm changing the commands to be exactly what I said. If it's going down, I want to go down. If it's going up, I want to go down, going up. And I want the movement, because I think this one is not going to sit still today. If it's going down, it's at least going to the entrance, which is 0.42 and a half. If it's going up, at least going to 0.6. So the ratio is good for both sides, and I'm pretty sure it's going to do a good move. Okay, so it's really early in the morning. I'm going to make myself something to eat in a few minutes. I don't think this one is going to do too much in the next few minutes, so I'm going to allow myself, let it sit here. If it's going to move, I'm building on a good movement to the same direction. It's not going to be a short one. So I have time, and it's 5 a.m. so most people still asleep. You see the range, right? You can see that it's stuck between 3 cents basically. Okay, so I left the computer and I returned to find out it actually entered. It did the move. It did start the move anyway. Now I want my partial one to be 0.42 and a half, and the stop will be the 53, the end of the range that originally was the entrance for the long. Still really slow movement today. But we almost at 8,000 shares exchange hands. So it's not a small one. And I want to take it all the way to 42.5 at least. And I do have 4,000 shares in the stock now, in short, in pre-market, which is something I never done, but I'm considering the pre-market the same as the market. Just need to acknowledge that it might move in any direction, and you need to handle it correctly. And 4,000 shares, it's, again, I never enter really that small of a stock, but the volume here is not for a small stock. Come on. You can crash, yeah, you're allowed to. Still playing. It didn't move in any direction yet for me to move my stop. So if it's just testing me, and I'm looking for the movement, at least a big move that I can say, okay, if it's going back from that direction, it's going to fail. Or reversal. That's kind of my move, my stop moving. My move or the stop kind of criteria. So I'm waiting. I don't like to see a green candle just after I entered. It's not nice. The market just returned to be green. She is not good for me. See, it's 0.01% up, which is nothing basically, but you never know that kind of stock if it's going with the market or ignoring the market. In any case, I will handle the same way. So I'm waiting. Let's hope that I'm not going to wait too much, but I need to see a movement. I know this stock can do a movement. And I know it can go all the way down to 42.5 at least, but it can be a red day. It can go all the way to 0.25, which it was 2 days ago. So there is a ratio here. If it's going all the way to 25, I will take my money and run. But I want at least 42.5. Come on. Stop with the nonsense. I don't like the bullshit. What the hell is it doing? Now it's tested the 53 a few times. So I can kinda move my stop and hope that it's not going to reach it or it's going to reversal anyway. So I need to wait. And I know that it's tested the 53 a few times. So I'm building on the 53 to be kind of my final stop. Hopefully I'm not mistaken and it's going to return, but I'm waiting. Come on. Now it's torturing me. No. Stop the 53. Stop 153. Come on. And I'm out. Okay, it checked me. I lost the 170 bucks, by the way. And you can see that after that it's crushed all the way to 42.5. So just where I wanted to take my partial one. And I was missing like 2-3 cents difference. In this case it's a lot, but that's depressing. But that's about it all, guys. That's what it is. And that's it. So join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.